What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be installing a third brake light on the back of the truck because a company was gracious enough to send me out one. I'm going to put a link in the description to it. You got to drive by right now. So I'm going to put the link in the description to it. It's a really nice one. It's all blacked out and it's LED. So it's gonna be a real nice replacement since I am blacking everything out on the truck anyways. So the first step is I'm gonna take off these screws, pop off the old light. And I haven't had this issue yet, or that I know of with that, like I'm aware of, because I haven't had water in the truck. But these third brake lights actually tend to leak on these trucks, like down into the cab. So thankfully I haven't had that issue. Oh yeah, that was really sealed up in there. So we got 3 bulbs here, and we got 2 hookups here. Whoops. Good thing I left the protector on it. So we're just gonna wipe this down, kind of clean this up. Go and grab the keys. Ooh, shiny. All right, let me go check the brake light. The face head. Note to self, don't jump off the toolbox onto pavement in cowboy boots. They have no support for the balls of your feet. So we're gonna pull that bulb out. Ooh, nice. You can pop these back in there like so. So it contains factory looking settings. And then you just pop it all back in. Actually, it has a really nice seal on it, so it's gonna sit nice and pretty. There's these bulbs. Pretty sure my taillight bulb was actually burnt out already, so good thing I'm changing it out. So yeah, this seal wasn't the best anyways. Boom, look at that. We went from that to a blacked out tail light. Boop. If it's flickering on camera, I assure you it is not flickering here. Ooh, that looks so clean. Oh. Whoops. Dang. Okay, that looks really... I need to get these blacked out and the bumper color matched. Actually, I found somebody selling front and rear steel bumpers. Contemplated buying them, even though I just painted the front one last year. Yeah, that looks real good. Like I said, I'm gonna put a link in the description down below for the taillight. They also have other products on their website, everything like that. They sent it out to me, and I'm happy with it. That looks good. Ooh, it's, you know, it's the little things in life. It really is. Boom. Nice, clean. All right, I'm gonna cut to a night shot, and then after the night shot, we'll cut to the outro. Wow, that is really freaking bright. The GoPro is not doing this thing justice. But yeah. The brake light. I wish I could see it from where I'm at, but I can't. Alright, so I'm gonna apologize for the wind, but anyways, the new light that they sent out to me, like I said earlier, I'm gonna put the link down in the description, has been working very well. It's been actually a few days, not the next day, but it's bright. I've really been enjoying it at night for when I'm getting stuff out of the bed and whatnot. And the brake light, still very bright, which is awesome. And it's all blacked out. Now we just have to get tail lights, back bumper, and all the handles painted at some point or changed out, because eventually I'm going to get rid of the chrome. However, I noticed the other day my passenger shock decided to blow out. Thanks, Illinois roads. So if you guys follow my Instagram, you know my CV boot is busted on the driver's side. Now the shock is blown out. My IWEs, they are worn out as well. The pump on the back of the engine's leaking oil, has been doing that for a while. So basically, yeah, we got a lot of things to do on the F-150 here. It's at almost 120,000 miles, but I got a really cool looking taillight now. All right, I'll catch you guys later, and have a good day.